Hello friends, today we are going to see figure of speech, Alankar. So here I have put down the notes as well as in Marathi as well as in English. So we are going to see first alliteration. When in a sentence there is a repetition of beginning sound of neighboring words, it is the use of alliteration. Beginning sound of neighboring word means the starting letter of the word. If the sound is repeated in the sentence, it is said to be alliteration. एखाद्या वाक्यात वेगवेगळ्या शब्दांच्या सुरुवातीला समान ध्वनी पुन्हा पुन्हा आलेले असतील तर तेथे alliteration असेल. समान ध्वनी, right? So here we are going to see the example. Raju brings himself to the bank of a bay. Bank of a bay. So here you can see I have underlined B and B sound is repeated. In second sentence, he holds his head high. So here you can see H sound is repeated in each word. And काकूने काकाचे कामाचे कागद कात्रीने कापून काढले. So here you can see K sound is repeated in each word, right? So this is the examples for alliteration. So alliteration, what to remember, that what the sound of a letter is repeated. Sound of a letter is repeated. Then next is repetition. When in a sentence same words are repeated, it is the use of repetition. It is the use of repetition. एखाद्या वाक्यात जर एखादा शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा आलेला असेल तर तेथे रिपिटेशन असते, राईट. एखादा शब्द म्हणजे काय, तो शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा येणार त्यामध्ये, त्यावेळेस काय होणार, तिथे रिपिटेशन. आता आपण लहानपणापासून कविता रेन रेन गो अवे कम अगेन अनादर डे, इथं बघितलं असेल तुम्ही रेन 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 रेन, दिस वर्ड इज रिपीटेड इन दिस सेंटेन्स, राईट. देन अलोन अलोन ऑल अलोन, अलोन अलोन ऑल अलोन. In this sentence also you can see alone alone, this word is repeated again and again. Now in Marathi if we say deva ho deva ganpati deva, and deva deva, this word is repeated again and again in this sentence. So when the word is repeated continuously in the sentence 2 times or more than 2 times, then it is called as repetition. Okay. The next one, personification. When in a sentence non-living inanimate things, animals, birds, plants, flowers, ideas, etc. are given the human qualities, or they are described as human beings, it is the use of personification. So personification, we have seen the personification. So personification again in Marathi I have not written. I will tell you in Marathi also what it is. एखाद्या वाक्यात जर निर्जीव वस्तू, मानवेतर, प्राणी, वनस्पती, पक्षी, फूल इत्यादी मानवी गुण दिलेले असतील, इत्याद्यांना काय असेल, मानवी गुण दिलेले असतील, किंवा त्यांना मानवासारखे वागताना दाखवलेले असतील, तेव्हा तेथे काय होणार आहे, पर्सनिफिकेशन. जर ह्या सगळ्यांना काय असेल, मानवी गुण दिलेले असतील, प्राणी असतील, पक्षी असतील, फुलं असतील, प्लांट्स असतील, राईट, आयडियाज असतील, गुणवैशिष्ट्य असतील, या सगळ्यांना काय असतील, ह्युमन क्वालिटीज जर दिलेल्या असतील तर तेथे काय होणार आहे, personification. So here the waves are singing a song. So waves, right, waves are compared with song, singing is the quality of human being. And stars dance in the sky, stars dance in the sky. So stars can't dance, but the human quality is given to the stars. Now ती पहा सर्वात मागे मान उंचावून पाहणारी टेकडी, तिच्या पायाजवळून उड्या मारीत जाणारा, गात जाणारा तो अवखळ झरा, right. So you can see here many human qualities are given here in these sentences. Next one, fourth figure of speech we are going to see is simile. In simile, we are going to see the definition. When in a sentence, a direct comparison is made between two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common, shown using like or as. Like or as. It is use of simile. So like or as words are used to show the difference between two things or comparison between two things. एखाद्या वाक्यात जर दोन वस्तू, व्यक्ती, प्राणी, गुणवैशिष्ट्ये, किंमत, महत्त्व इत्यादी प्रत्यक्षरित्या तुलना केलेली असेल आणि त्यामधील एकमेव साम्य दाखवण्यासाठी लाईक किंवा ॲज याचा उपयोग केलेला असतो तेव्हा तिथे सिमिली होते. सो लाईक किंवा ॲज हे दोन शब्द वापरले जातात. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी काश्मीर इज लाईक ए हेवन ऑफ इंडिया. द रोड लाईज लाईक द शेपर्ड कार्पेट. राईट. सो हिअर शिवाजी महाराज सिंहासारखे होते. सिंहासारखे होते. सो मोर एक्झाम्पल्स यू कॅन सी. Mumbai is as clean as Jaipur. So you can see Mumbai and Jaipur are clean, but it is comparison with as word it is done. So this will be also example of simile. So simile might be you have understood. We are in simile. What to remember that like and as words are used to show the comparison between two things. Now next one is fifth number, metaphor. So metaphor, we are going to see the definition of metaphor. When an indirect comparison is made in between two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common, it is the use of metaphor. Here words like and as are not used. So here direct comparison is shown. We have seen in simile, for showing the comparison, the words like and as are used, but here they are not used. I have written here like and as are not used. So एखाद्या वाक्यात जर दोन वस्तू, व्यक्ती, प्राणी, गुणवैशिष्ट्ये, किंमत, महत्त्व इत्यादी अप्रत्यक्षरित्या तुलना केलेली असेल आणि त्यामधील एखादे साम्य दाखवण्यासाठी लाईक किंवा ॲज उपयोग केलेला नसतो तेव्हा तेथे मेटाफोर असते. सो सीड्स ऑफ मूनलाईट. सो यू कॅन सी हिअर सीड्स आणि मूनलाईट यांच्यामध्ये डायरेक्ट कम्पॅरिझन केलेलं आहे. द कॅमल इज द शिप ऑफ द डेझर्ट. सो कॅमल आणि शिप, राईट, यांच्यामध्ये काय केलं आहे डायरेक्ट. शिवाजी महाराज सिंह होते. शिवाजी महाराज आणि सिंहामध्ये काय केलेलं आहे डायरेक्ट. त्यांनी सांगितलं डायरेक्ट. आपण बघितलं सिमिलीमध्ये what we have seen that शिवाजी महाराज सिंहासारखे होते. right. शिवाजी महाराज was like a lion. आणि इथं काय शिवाजी महाराज सिंह होते. शिवाजी महाराज was a lion. So here direct comparison and indirect comparison. So you might be understood this 5 figure of speech. Next figure of speech I will be uploading soon. Thank you and have a nice day.